Okay guys, here we are on Easy Farms. You see the barn we're working on. We got another video for that. The horse, the two cows. Right now their enclosure Right now their enclosure is about 2 acres roughly. Probably can't see the bar or the smooth wire in the distance, but this, for the first time, we're going to open it up to our full 15 acres. So she's going to move the truck out of the way, and the cows and the horse are going to be able to go free. See how long it takes them to find it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna go on that grass for days. There's some good quality grass out there, I'm sure. Oh, here comes the horse. I think she's gonna take off. Oh, maybe.
She was.
She was thinking about it, and then she saw good grass, I think. I still think she's gonna run a little bit. Yeah.
Come and stay here. Oh, where's she going? Where's she gone? Where's she gone? Oh, she's a horsey. There's horsey.
Mm-hmm.
Where did it go? I need perfect. I need pot.
Hold on.
Please.
Yeah, there she goes. I can hardly see her in the camera, she's so far away now.
Alright, we'll be posting more videos. We just wanted you guys to experience them getting out into the 15 acres for the first time with us. So keep watching and we'll have more videos.